I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the knob type and reducing levels to prevent pops. Once done, lower master to 0 and set instrument volume to about 20–30% so you can hear changes safely. Use a soft cloth to protect the finish, remove any knob caps with a small screwdriver, and inspect the pot for dirt or wear. You do this now because physical access and quiet levels make the next adjustments accurate and prevent damage to speakers or electronics. You now perform the detailed tuning. Play a consistent test note or loop and turn the bass knob in small increments, about 1/8 turns, so you can perceive subtle timbre shifts. Once you notice the direction, boost versus cut, match the setting to the room and mix. Too much low-end masks clarity. If you hear scratchiness or intermittent contact, apply 1 or 2 drops of contact cleaner and rotate the knob fully several times to restore smooth operation before returning to fine adjustments. You finish by restoring master volume and evaluating the bass knob setting within the full mix so the low end supports rather than overwhelms. Once satisfied, set a subtle visual indicator or note the detent position for repeatability. If you encounter hum, ground loop, or persistent noise, make sure cables are shielded, connectors are seated, and grounding is secure. If needed, swap cables to isolate the fault. This final check ensures stable tone and prevents surprises during performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.